collection. Collection for the collection. Maneta, I did it! Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it is a Christmas time, so everybody must be busy. Today in this video I'll be doing a luxury haul, and to start with I have bought this YSL cape leather crossbody bag. It comes with a iconic interlocking YSL monogram with a beautiful charm. The hardware is a silver tone, and this bag can be carried as a crossbody, or you can carry as a single strap, also with a double strap. The leather is a crocodile leather, and it is a small size bag, but as a space wise, can fit a mobile, a small purse, few of your makeup stuffs and other basic accessories. To be honest, I wanted to buy a bag in different color, but again I landed up buying in a black color, but I have no regret. I love this bag. This bag is really good for daytime as well as for the evening parties and function as well. The next one I have got is a Chanel gold pearl CC drop earring. I love Chanel packaging, it's really beautiful. This earring is a classic signature collection. It is a gold plated earring with clear crystal and pearl drop. It is really gorgeous and can be worn in a daytime, but especially in the evening because it sparkles from every angle. I bought this earring from Chanel boutique in London. The next item I have got is a midi wool wrap coat in black color from Ted Baker. This coat is a Ted's best-selling Sandra coat, and I'm lucky to have one. It is a wool cashmere blend which comes with a high collar which can be folded down. It also comes with a waist tie belt detailing hardware signature at collar and also in belt. You can wrap around to ensure a stylish look whatever the weather is. Finally, I have got this Coach card holder purse. It's really handy and you can use as a key ring. You have got a coin compartments here, and you can store a card at the back. It's really handy, like if you're carrying a small bag, I think this card holder will fit in with ease, and I recommend this product. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Lastly, I'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you soon. Bye bye.